Hello everyone, today we are going to be living our Vlogmas dreams. Thank you to Miss YesStyle's. A little fun fact about me, back in the day, especially in high school and middle school, I would watch a million YouTubers, a million vloggers who do Vlogmas. I would watch their Vlogmas content and they always have an advent calendar that they would open every day. I was so jealous, especially because you know what, advent calendars, let me not get into that. But the only advent calendars I had were literally like those $1, $2, $3 chocolate ones from Walmart. So today she's done a little upgrade. Again, thank you to Miss YesStyle's. And we have here this big ass advent calendar. Look, there's only one level, two level, just so you know. That each day contains a full size item, and the entire worth of the products in here is around 500 USD. So how can I jump from a $2 chocolate advent calendar to this? Thank you, YesStyle's. Use my code Tran. As you can see, this advent calendar is this beautiful winter theme, red panda, polar bear. Am I getting my animals right? All my Vlogmas watching is in this advent calendar. You guys have no idea how much I wanted an advent calendar my whole life, except, you know. But I, however, though, will not be doing the daily opening because I'll be opening all of the numbers for you guys today. As always, you know, this is an advent calendar. There's 24 products in here that you open every day leading up to Christmas. If you don't know how advent calendars work, this, although all the products in here go up to 500 USD, the retail price for this that is selling on YesStyle's is only around 165 USD. So if y'all want to do that yourself, that would be on Miss YesStyle's. Use my rewards code Tran for a discount. The pre-order date for this for gold and silver elite club members start on September 19, but the official launch date for this is October 10. So if you want to get her in time for Christmas, that's that. But of course, the link for this will be in my description. I'll also probably link the individual products too in the description. Listen, y'all, I don't even celebrate Christmas at all. Like, the last time I celebrated Christmas, I was maybe in grade 5 or something. But no matter what, I would watch Vlogmas, I would watch people open advent calendars, and I love them. So thank you, Miss YesStyle's. Anyways, with that said, let's get into our winter carnival theme advent calendar. I'm so excited. If you guys are gonna buy this for yourself for Christmas, spoilers, but anyways, I'm excited. Let's open it. And I believe everything in here are like trending K-beauty items. Ready? Oh, it's heavy. Beautiful. Sorry. There's a mirror. What the hell? Whoa. Not this actually as a makeup box too, because you know there's this part too. Oh my gosh. Advent calendars is mixed up. So I have to find number one. Oh, number one's here. Okay. Number one, red panda holding a makeup brush. This is the red panda, right? This is actually kind of insane that it's full size. Don't you think? Because I feel like usually when it's like beauty products and advent calendars, it's like a sample size. Not this being huge as hell. I am shocked. For number one, here we have a deep clear cleansing balm. I am just beautiful. There is no two here, so let's open the second level. Whoa! On to number two. You know what this kind of reminds me of, like, other than advent calendar? It also reminds me of like those TikTok trends for like your friend's birthday or whatever, someone's birthday, and they open one every day until then. Isn't this kind of beautiful? Like, you reuse this entire box for that. Number two is here, and she is a Beam Cheeks Balm. Whoa, it's a heart! Beautiful, just gorgeous. And on to number three. Number three looks like a big one. It's looking like a lipstick, isn't it? Whoa, 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 what is this? KAHI. A multi-balm more fermented oil. I don't know what that means. Whoa, what? This is huge. Whoa, whoa, what? Why is it magnetic? Look at this. Comes off like putting in batteries. Oh, that's crazy. I'm guessing it's magnetic because it's like a refill. You could put a refill in there. Wow. Number four. Glittering eye stick. They put it on the bottom. Oh, this is for the egg yolk sal. Anyways. And wow. Girl, I feel like a beauty guru. And I'm not. Should we try? I'm a little scared. Sorry. I didn't press down. And on to number 5. Not Beauty of Joseon. Obviously, you know, we know Beauty of Joseon. Come on. This is a calming serum green tea plus panthenol. Wow. Number 6. And number 6 is a Retinol brow fixer. I have no idea how to use this, but should we do this now? Because my brows are a mess, so.
I'm on the next level.
Yeah, she's laying down. Does she look good? Yeah. On to number 7. 7. And there is a purple product in here. What I say? Whoa, I know this brand. Yo, my sister is gonna be shook. Listen, yo, because every time we go to Korea, she's like looking for this products from this company, this products from this company. She don't find it. This isn't a specific product she's looking for, but still, she's gonna be shook that I have it. And here is, we have the Sewn by Me Advanced Triple Action Eye Cream for wrinkles, signs of aging, and skin tone darkening. If you guys tuned into my how I cleared up my acne video, you know that I have wrinkles under my eyes because I keep hard blinking. I think it was caused during COVID when I play on my phone in the dark. And this is perfect, especially since it's from a company that I know. Anyways, moving on to number 8. Whoa, she's a makeup carnival design. Here we have the ETUDE Lash Perm Volume Fix. And this will be going to my sister because I don't know if you guys know about me. My eyelashes are like this. Literally, if I go like this, you can't even see my eyelashes. I have to go like this. And you see tiny ones. Ooh, she's looking like a big one. Number 9. It's a reindeer pulling a reindeer in a sled. A hand cream. Here we have a Reproess Essential Blending Hand Cream Greenery, which I'll be using because one thing about me, like even before COVID, I would hand sanitize a lot in public, but then my hands would get so dry. Here we have what looks like another serum, another ampule in the box. Will it also be like that in here? No, it won't. Never mind, y'all. The picture does not have a correlation with the product. Here we have a Fake of 3 color shading beige brown color. Wow. This is Christmas for me and my sister. Early Christmas. And next is 11. Ooh. Sunscreen! And y'all know I love Korean sunscreen. I'm gonna be real with y'all, I wasn't slamming on the Japanese sunscreen that I had. So then I went to Korea and bought a bunch of Korean sunscreen. I didn't even know what the brand was. I just bought it, tried it, and I loved it. Because one thing about Korean sunscreen is they are not oily. And my face is super oily and also sweaty. Centella Calming Daily Sunscreen. Thank you, YesStyle's. On to number 12. 12. Oh, we're halfway in now. We're halfway in. Here we have what looks like a lipstick. Dew Tint. The color is Soul Soul. Whoa. 13. Oh, here. She's a heavy one. Haru Wonder. Oh, I've had Haru Wonder. Yeah. YesStyle's sent me Haru Wonder before. Oh, I've also hosted a giveaway for Haru Wonder. Yeah, we love her. I still use her cleansing gel to this day. Anyways, Haru Wonder Black Rice Hyaluronic Essence. You got the best of me. Ding, ding, ding. And moving on to 14. Wake Make Stay Fixer Packed Vegan Powder. Setting powder, I think. And on to number 15, which is a deer. Feels relatively heavy. Whoa. Beautiful. Blueberry and Cream Ice Pop Hydrogel Eye Mask. Beautiful. Number 16. She's a light one. Maybe a pencil? I knew it. Here we have a Holly Pop Double Eyelid Liner. I'm thinking it's a skincare one. Quartz! Quartz! I don't know how you pronounce it. Another hyaluronic acid? That's what it is. Yep. Beautiful. Whoa, a brush set. Peach Tuning Brush Set. The brushes are a lavender color. The bag for the brushes. On to 19. Heavy. I'm hoping it's a cleanser. Yes, it's a cleanser. Rich Moist Foaming Cleanser. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I am stocked on cleansers. Because as you know, I use 2 cleansers and then moisturize as my skincare routine. And literally my cleansers that I use right now is from YesStyle's. As you know if you watch my acne journey video. Another big one. Ooh, she's looking like makeup. Whoa. Ink Velvet Lip Tint and Liner Sets. Beautiful. Whoa, it's a heavy one. It's a heavy one. Whoa. PHA Resurfacing Glow Peel. Resurfacing water peel that removes dead skin cells to leave your skin fresh and glowing. Wow. And we will be trying her. I'll be a little scared while trying her, but I'll try her. But these look like you need to wear a bunch of sunscreen after you use them. I'm not sure. 22. Whoa, she's right here. It is a frottage pencil. I don't know what that means, but that's for my sister to figure out. Number 23, our second last one. Beautiful. A night cream. This is a collagen night cream. Highly concentrated, nourishing, vegan formula night cream for tightening the skin. Wow. And here's the big one, everyone. We're sleeping, we wake up. It's either Christmas, depending on when you do it, or Christmas Eve. And it's time for the last box. It'll just be, whoa, what is this? Unleashia Glitterpedia Special Eye Makeup, multi-use texture. You can see what the names are here. Beautiful. Beautiful. And that is that, y'all. Our $500 worth of full-size products advent calendar that is retail for basically $300 off, girl. More than that, to $164.9. That's the retail price. And if you use code, if you use rewards code, what, everyone? Tina Tran, you will get a percentage discount off of this. I had a great time opening this, and I hope if you get it too, you do. Or unless, you know, you just had a great time watching. That's fine, that's fine. But if you do want to get her in time for the holidays, the official launch date for this is October 10, 2023. But if you are already a rewards member with YesStyle, if you're in the gold or silver tier, the pre-order date is September 19. So soon, or today. I don't know when I'll post this, but the links will be in the description. And remember, everyone, rewards code what? Tina Tran. Goodbye, everyone, and happy holidays. It's literally September, so what holidays? You know what holiday is in September? My birthday. So happy birthday, Tina, and happy holidays, everyone. See ya. Just gave my sister the makeup once, and she was shook because some of these she got from Korea and some of these are famous brands that she know. This one she had from Korea, and this is,
and all the K-dramas, the KAHI Balm.
yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
This is more than a crash, more than like more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't keeping ass. This is more than a crash, more than like more than a lie. Baby, I'ma make you mine, and I ain't keeping ass. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you. Don't run away, don't run away from the truth, 'cause I'm not giving up on you.